Good day, Agent J. I have urgent news. It seems the utility systems at home base are under threat from a new chaotic supervillain, Dr. Dysfunction. Oh, hey, Agent M. Dr. Dysfunction. That does sound serious. It gets worse. It seems he's robo-napped Agent Mia, and we need to get her back.
No!
Well, why didn't you lead with that? What are we waiting for? Let's go! Today, we'll equip you with knowledge to tackle and repair 3 main home infrastructure networks: the plumbing, electrical, and HVAC systems. Think of these as the veins, nerves, and lungs of your home. Maintaining them is crucial to keeping everything running smoothly. Let's also keep in mind that all homes are different. Consult user manuals, call professionals, and if you're a renter, contact your landlord for help. Roger that, Agent M. Time to outsmart Dr. Dysfunction. Dr. Dysfunction will certainly target the plumbing system, which is crucial for bringing in clean water and removing wastewater. It's like the veins of your house, keeping everything flowing. Oh no. Dr. Dysfunction has already caused 3 major plumbing issues in our home base. A leaky faucet in the bathroom is dripping water, wasting resources and your money. There's water pooling around the base of the water heater, and the kitchen sink is draining slowly. What could you do? Brainstorm a plan in your mission log. I bet we can use a tool from the Spycraft workshop to handle this. Let's tackle that leaky faucet and water heater first. To find the source of the leak, we should check for drips around pipes, faucets, and fixtures using a flashlight. Once we've located the leaks, we can stop them by tightening any loose connections with our adjustable wrench. Make sure not to over-tighten, and problem solved. Ooh, I bet something went down the slow-draining kitchen sink that shouldn't have. I know. We should always avoid pouring grease down the sink. The grease can solidify, blocking our drainage. Instead, let the grease cool in the pan and then scrape it out into a container or just directly into the trash before disposing of it. To fix a slow drain, we can use a plunger. Cover the drain, create suction, and dislodge the clog. If that doesn't work, we can try a drain snake. Insert, rotate, and pull out the clog. Oh, gross. But it worked, and it is strangely satisfying. Right on, Agent J. Remember, if the plumbing issues persist or you're unsure about what to do, it's best to call your landlord or a professional plumber to handle it. Got it. Regular checks and knowing when to call for help are key. Take that, Dr. Dysfunction. What's he up to now? Agent J, Dr. Dysfunction has tampered with our home base's electrical system. We have some problems to solve. That's shocking. Electricity is like the nerves of your house, transmitting signals and power to keep everything running, from the lights to the appliances. But it can be dangerous if you're not careful. Because of Dr. Dysfunction's meddling, the living room lights suddenly went out, and the kitchen outlet isn't working. How would you handle each of these problems? Brainstorm in your mission log. All right, Agent J, what do you think? Well, the circuit breaker is our first line of defense against electrical issues. You got it. It trips or turns off to cut power if there's too much current, like when there's too many devices or appliances plugged in, or if there's faulty wiring. You can reset it by turning off or unplugging some devices, then locating the tripped breaker and flipping it back to on. The box is usually in your basement or utility room, or in a closet or a hallway if you live in an apartment. If you can't find or access it, contact your landlord or building manager for assistance. Always make sure your hands are dry and that you're standing on a dry surface when handling the breaker. You got the lights back on, Agent J. Yes! A space heater was already running when a vacuum got turned on and tripped the breaker. Now, what should we do with the kitchen outlet? We could test the other outlets in the room to see if they're working. If it's all the room's outlets, check the circuit breaker. If it's only one outlet with a test and reset button, just press reset to restore power. Be careful to only touch the correct button. Using power strips can help manage outlet loads and prevent tripping. Be sure to use surge protectors for valuable electronics and don't overload them. Remember, safety always comes first. Call a licensed electrician if needed. I had too many things plugged into one outlet. Nice job. Dr. Dysfunction won't know what hit him. We are getting so close to Agent Mia. I can feel it. Agent J, for our final obstacle, it seems Dr. Dysfunction has compromised the HVAC system. What's an HVAC system? HVAC, or HVAC, stands for heating, ventilation, and air conditioning. It includes the systems in your home that regulate the movement and temperature of air, much like the lungs in our bodies. So your HVAC system keeps your home warm in the winter and cool in the summer. What's Dr. Dysfunction done to it? This is his trickiest work yet. The air quality in the house seems poor, the HVAC system is making unusual noises, and the energy bills have suddenly increased. How can we handle this final set of problems? Outline a plan in your log. All right, Agent J, let's discuss. So, the air hasn't been blowing as strong lately. There must be a block somewhere. I know. Maybe we need to clean or change the filters. I think you're onto something. HVAC filters should be serviced every 3 months. They remove particles like dust and pollen. A dirty filter makes your system work harder and reduces air quality. Locate the filter compartment on your furnace or within the ventilation system. Remove the filter and clean it, or insert a new one of the correct size. Consult your user manual. We should also listen for unusual noises. Sounds like banging or squealing can indicate HVAC issues. Inspect for loose parts or call a professional. That sudden spike in our energy bills must have been another symptom of the system just not running efficiently. Indeed. It's a good indication that one should check for dirty filters or blocked vents that can cause the system to work harder than necessary. Regular maintenance and timely filter changes can help keep your energy bills stable, saving money and keeping your home comfortable and efficient. Our HVAC system is running smoothly. Dr. Dysfunction is no match for the Spruce Force. You've done it, Agent J. But where's Agent Mia? Mia! Mia! What has Dr. Dysfunction done to you? You're Dr. Dysfunction? She's gone. What do we do? Agents, it seems Mia has been brainwashed by our arch nemesis organization, Spectre. We need to figure out a plan to get Mia back. Spectre? Saboteurs, plunderers, and evildoers causing total environmental ruin, of course. Now I've heard everything. Never a dull moment in the Miaverse, huh? In the meantime, let's work through the rest of the training missions in our logbook to prepare. We've got to get Mia back. Until our final mission, agents, stand by for our next adulting adventure.